Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a Node.js library in order to construct your PDF documents, and this library is called as HummusJS, and if you search on npmjs.com you will get to understand about this. So simply go to it and just type here HUMMUS. So just write this library, and this is the third library that you will find. This is the actual package. This is the actual person who developed this library, and you just need to install this by using this command npm I muha Muhamura, and simply copy this, and we will actually show you guys how you can create document, modify it, everything you can do it using this single library in command line in Node.js. Simply create an application. Just I'm inside my index.js. So now we require this library. It's very simple. Recipe. We can declare a variable like this. We will require the package muha It contains basically a this recipe variable, and then we will construct a new PDF document, and here we will instantiate the new reference of it. You will see it will automatically import your Visual Studio. You will give it a new document, and we will give it a file name as result.pdf. So now we need to define this. How? So various methods are there guys, as you see. Create page. This is a one method, and various sizes are available. One such size is letter size, and you can basically draw anything over here. uh, Sorry, this needs to be recipe here. So you will now see all these methods which will be available on this object. You can basically draw annotations, you can draw circle, you can draw text, you can add pages, remove pages, edit pages, encrypt it. You can even encrypt it as well, existing document, PDF documents. So first of all, let me show you how to create a page. So there is a method create page, and here you can pass the size of the page. I will put it letter size, and then you can basically draw a circle shape in the center position. And then here you will give the coordinate, so 100, 30, and then a object stroke. You can give it a color, so whatever color, favorite color that you have to do. So let's suppose I want to give it a black color, so 000, and the fill color. So what color you need to fill out the circle? Let me give it a F00, this color, red color, I think. Yeah, now we need to, if you want to end your page, you can simply say end page, and then you have the option to end your PDF. So if you do this, this callback function will execute, and this is actual callback function, and here you can print out a message that your PDF generation is over. So now this is a very simple code guys, a series of methods available. First of all, you create your page, then you draw a circle, then you end your page, and then this callback will execute end PDF. So if you now run this application, a file will be created, result.pdf, in the left hand side. So just notice. So you can see PDF generation is over, and now we get our result.pdf file. And if I try to open this file, you will basically see a circle guys which will be printed in the PDF file. Only a single page is there, and a blue color that we chosen guys you will see in the fill color. If I change this color to any other color, I change it to FF, make the changes, refresh. Let me see, 0000000. This is the actual color that I'm choosing. So now this color will change to black color because that color is black. We need to give it in 6 letters, the stroke color, and stroke color will be white, the border. If I refresh now, so white color is there if you see. So in this way guys, you can draw shapes here, and we can also draw some text as well. There is also a text method as well, and here this is some text, and here we can, after that there is also a option to draw text at particular position. So if I refresh now, there will be some text. You will see that this is some text. So you can draw some text, you can draw some shapes as well, guys. It's a very awesome library, guys, HummusJS. Uh, the library, this is the library, HummusJS. If you just type it, this is the actual package and the name of the library. It has its own GitHub repository, and it's a Node.js module for high performance of PDF creation and modification. And now we come to the next part, guys, how we can actually uh, modify the PDF document. So we can even draw some lines as well. Various methods are there. You can read the documentation, and if you want to draw a line, let's suppose, you can also move to a certain location in the PDF document and then draw a line. Line 2 in the center position is 650, and then again we can chain up these methods, guys. If you see, we are chaining up these methods, so multiple methods are used at one time. If you refresh now, there will be this line which will be drawn. So this. So you can be creative, guys. The imagination is endless. You can try out these methods accordingly, according to your own requirement. You can even draw a rectangle. There is a rectangle method as well. Just provide the coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate, and width and height. And then the second argument it takes is the actual colors. Again, you can provide some hexadecimal code 3B7721, and then the fill color. Any color you can provide, guys, totally depends upon you. And line width is 6, and opacity you can even control, which is 0.3. And if you refresh now, there will be a rectangle. If you see, this is like rectangle here. So totally depends upon you, guys, how you need to control it. And I think it's a very awesome library. You can change the width as well, the rectangle, if you see. And in this way, guys, you can also draw polygons. There is also a polygon method as well. So the methods are very much there. And if you want to add multiple pages, after you end this page, you can create a new page, create page, and inside this write a text. This is second page, and then again end this page, and again create a new page, and then again say this is the third page. So now the PDF document will contain 3 pages. If you see, now it contains 3 pages, one second page, third page. If you see, I think, oh sorry, I think the text is not written here. You do need to provide the locations, guys. So just provide the locations, x coordinate and the y coordinate. For every time that you call the create page method, you need to provide the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So this is the second page, this is the third page. So in this way, guys, you can basically create multi-page PDF documents as well using this library in Node.js. And now we will try to basically add some text box fields, form fields. So there is also an option to add a text box as well. So having this, if you just use this text here, so you will say some text box and then provide the locations 450 and 400, and then the options. You can even change the color of the text as well. If you don't want to have blue color, you can change it provide the hexadecimal code. You can even change the font size as well, guys. This is, let me change it to 30. You can even change the font as well if you don't want to do this courier new. You can even have, you can also highlight with a certain color as well. And then we have this option, text box. You can also draw text fields as well. This takes an object here and the text of the width of the field 150, line height is 16, and padding you need to give, this will be 515, and the style, once again it's an object, line width is 1, stroke, again you can provide a color accordingly, 00FF00, dash, and this will be 20 comma 20, then opacity, and this will be 0.1. So in this way, if you refresh now, there will be a text box available in the Fox page. There is, I think, some error is there. Okay, sorry. Let me shift it to the, because it is ending it, you need to just paste it in the someone right here. Just before this end page, so there is this some text box field, guys. You will see that. If you see, there is field right here. If you see, there you can just write anything here. If you print this, you can change the text here. In this way, guys, you can create documents. So now we will move on how we can modify it, modifying existing document, how we can do that. So now let me just have a document here. Let me take this document, output PDF. There is this document out there. If you need to encrypt this document using this library, we will need to first of all load this library. So if you see this section out there, there have been various examples available. Encryption is also there. Let me copy this and paste and show to you. And here you will provide your input file, which is in this case is output PDF, and then we will change it to encrypted PDF. User password, you will put here any password 123456, 123456, and that's all. If you refresh, your encrypted file will be generated, guys, if you see, and this file will be protected using the password that you given. So now your file has been there, password required, this document is password protected, and if you enter a wrong password, then it will give you an error, it will not open. Same exact password you need to give here, 123456, then your document will open, guys. So in this way you can encrypt your documents using custom password using this library. Very simple, you just need to use the encrypt method, put your password, and then we come to the next thing, guys. If you want to split your PDF document, if you have a multi-page document, if you want to split it into multiple pages, you need to provide your input file, which is this file, which is output PDF, and then you need to provide a directory. Let me create a directory here of pages. So in this directory all my pages will be stored, and now if I run this, it is saying path is not defined. You need to simply instantiate the path library path. So if you refresh now, node.mon index.js, unable to create PDF document, make sure that the output target is available. Okay, I have created the pages directory. I just rename to pages. So now, guys, prefix 1, prefix 2, prefix 3, because in the output PDF there are 3 pages available. If you open the file, this is 1, 2nd, 3rd. So now we have splitted these pages into individual pages. So if you see individual PDF documents, so this contains the first page, the first document, the second document, PDF document contains the second page, and the third document contains the third page. So we have splitted the custom multi-page document, guys, into individual pages using this library. And you can see that there is a uh, split method that you need to use, guys, in order to do this process. Very simple. You just need to provide the directory name where all the files will be stored with the prefix. So you can also change this prefix as well. Let's suppose result and then result1, result2, result c. So you can have custom prefix as well accordingly. Very customizable library, guys. So this is the thing that I like about this library. It makes the things very much easier. You can do all the things with this library. And then we come to the next part, which is overlay part. If you want to overlay a PDF file, you can even do that also. Just paste it, and overlay simply means that output PDF, and if you want to merge two files, let's suppose I have result PDF, I need to overlay this file. So this file will be created. If you see, cannot destructure property width of. So there is a method, guys, overlay, which you can perform to overlay two PDF documents in HummusJS. And then we have insert PDF. If you want to basically insert, you can even insert a PDF file at a current page number. So let's suppose we have this input file, which is result.pdf, which contains 3 pages. And now if you want to insert this PDF file, which is this one, I think this one, index.pdf. Let me first of all refresh this. So we have this output PDF file, guys, which contains 3 pages, and now we need to insert this second file, which we are using the insert method. So we need to insert the page 3 from long PDF to current page 2. So we can even use insert page method as well. So here we provide our input file. So this will be output.pdf and the result.pdf. Verify that the target is an existing PDF file. You can even insert this. So next thing is that, guys, we will have the append PDF. So various things you can perform, guys. Here we can even just get the page info as well. If you want to get meta information about a PDF document, who is the author who has written the PDF document, you can also do that also. So here this will be result.pdf and this will be info.pdf, and we need to get the page 1 information. So here it will be info PDF file, unable to pass. So if you basically let me paste a file here from the documents directory, and let me paste it in this file here, copy paste it. This is sample PDF. So let me replace this as sample PDF, I need to get the information. So I will run this. We will see. Basically get the information about the PDF document: width, height, rotate, page number. So info, it basically write this information inside this PDF document. So this is the actual PDF document, guys, if you see, and it gets you the information, meta information. And then we got in the documentation, guys, if you want to modify an existing PDF document, you can perform these operations. Let me just show you. And let me change this to sample and modified. So we are editing the first page, then we are adding some text to the first page. In this location, we are drawing a rectangle, we are committing, we are also adding an image. You can even add an image as well. So let me add an image here and go to downloads and let me add an image. So let me paste this image here, rename this image to sample.jpg. This is the image we will add, guys, inside our PDF document. And so I will rename this to sample.jpg. And if you refresh modified.pdf file, guys, this will be created. Now you can see that. So basically we have added a comment here to our existing PDF document. We have added an image. We have added this text. We have added this rectangle. We added this image. So with the help of this library, guys, you can do anything possible. You can basically modify it. You can encrypt it. You can create new documents. You can append. You can do anything. It's a complete PDF editor library which you can perform anything. So I have already showed you all the examples that this library is supported. So go to HummusJS and definitely try this library. It's a very awesome library. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.